That's right. I've put a sell price on NVIDIA, and I expect to be out of it probably within the week. Why is that? Well, because I have Samantha, and Samantha is my AI agent. And now that we have Ask Samantha, and I have all my tribe members submitting analysis work, we've got flooded with somewhere in the neighborhood of 300 stocks reviewed in the last 15 days, and it's brought to my attention some ticker symbols that are going to make NVIDIA look weak over the next 3 years. That's right. NVIDIA is projected by Samantha, who does my Wall Street level analysis, to give me about a 36% return between now and January of 2029. So that's good. That's acceptable. But when I can get from LMND 223, why would I take the NVIDIA's 36 or IONQ, the quantum computer, 311? That's what Samantha is projecting based on the analysis of their financial statements, their balance sheets, all the news from Wall Street. They're projecting IONQ will give me 311 as opposed to NVIDIA's 36. So why would I leave my money in NVIDIA when I can take it to ELVA and get 280? And if I want to go to Japan and get involved in Japan Solar, and you know how their economy is a little bit upside down right now, TOYO is projecting 429. So that's a difference of 400% return on my money. Why would I leave it in NVIDIA? This is what I'm discovering as I'm using AI to analyze stocks, and I've crowdfunded or the work, in that I now have my 900 people who are part of my tribe submitting analysis. Trent has built on the website that I can sort it. I can go into what Wall Street is projecting the stock to and read that, or I can do it as to what Samantha is projecting with it, with our special emphasis on AI, and come up with, this is what they're going to do. Which ones do I want to own? And so I take all this information and I put it on a tell sheet that my members can look at and interpret and decide which do they want, NVIDIA at 36 or TOYO at 429. This is, here you can see it. Now, I don't want you scrambling and whatever. You can see this for free. You can participate in it for free. You can come to our stock talks for free, where I go into detail and explain it to new members so that they have an understanding of how can Samantha project that a Chinese or a Japanese stock in solar is going to get a 429% return, whereas NVIDIA is going to get a 36. And put it into a document that you can read and understand on all this. I think right now there's about 400 stocks that we reviewed. And you can then sort them and say, this is how much I want to make next year, the year after that, and then set it up that way. So come to their website, go to the link through the description, and give it a 30-day free trial and see if this isn't the way you want to invest in the future.